I'm Fabrice Dentressangle. I'm a biologist by training and I'm working as project officer in the Prima Foundation. So Prima Foundation stands for Partnership for Research and Innovation in the Mediterranean area, and so we are supporting collaborative research and innovation projects around the Med for sustainable use of water, promoting sustainable farming practices, and also dealing with the agro-food value chain. So we are not specifically working on the wetlands, but we are very interested in this kind of habitat and ecosystem because what we are looking for is sustainable development. And so the wetlands are kind of very important habitat ecosystem for fighting against climate change, against the sea rise, flooding, etc. And we have seen there is a lot of also socio-economical activities that are linked to this kind of ecosystem. So we are interested in that. I was really curious to see on ground what can be a project of rehabilitation of the wetland. So this was one of the main interests, and also for sure to discuss directly with the managers and to understand the challenges they have. And it's a way also for us, for Prima Foundation, to integrate these needs into maybe our future goals and to sustain the nature-based solution, because we are interested in these topics. It was very interesting being here with the network of MedWet, because it's an opportunity to talk directly with the manager and understand their needs and the challenges they are facing. And also I believe it's a good way to promote collaboration and interaction between agronomists, hydrologists and your world that is more about wetland conservation. So I believe this is nice.